In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TurboTrader on Webull. TurboTrader is Webull Desktop's fast execution panel designed to help you react quickly without digging through multiple menus. Before we begin, make sure you're on Webull Desktop with a layout open, since this feature lives inside a widget panel, not the mobile app. First, add the TurboTrader widget to your layout. Look for the Add Widget option in your desktop workspace. Then choose TurboTrader. It will appear as a panel you can drag into place. Position it where it's easy to reach. Many traders keep it near their active chart and watch list, then resize it so the buttons and order fields are clearly visible. If your platform supports layout saving, consider saving this arrangement so TurboTrader is ready every time you launch. Keeping your chart, level 2, if available, and TurboTrader in the same view can reduce clicks and keep your focus on price action. With TurboTrader in place, you can place fast orders using the quick buttons. Select the symbol you want to trade, either by typing it in the widget or by linking the widget to your chart or watch list so it follows your selection. Choose your quantity using the preset size buttons or the quantity field. Pick your order type, mark it for immediate fills or limit if you want price control, and set your time in force as needed. When you're set, hit buy or sell. Depending on your settings, you may see a confirmation prompt or it may send immediately for speed. You'll see order status update in the panel or your orders window. If you need to adjust quickly, cancel or modify right from the active order line. Remember, speed is powerful, so double-check the symbol, side, size, and order type before clicking. Next, customize and practice. Tailor the button presets to match your style. Common tweaks include default share or contract size, preferred order type, and time in force. Set hotkeys for your most used actions so you can buy, sell, or cancel even faster without moving your mouse. If your layout supports color linking, link TurboTrader to your chart and watch list to keep everything synchronized. Then, test everything in paper trading. Switch to your paper trading account and rehearse placing market and limit orders, using hotkeys and managing open positions. This is the best way to confirm your presets work as intended and to fine-tune your workflow without risking real funds. When you're confident, carry the same settings into your live layout. That's it. Add the TurboTrader widget, place fast orders with the quick buttons, and customize and practice until the process feels natural and precise.